This is our last Sunday in this house. It's June 10th, 2001. Playing basketball in there. Oh, Natalie missed it. Don't wet the camera. This is our beautiful home that we sold. 9 years here. What's wrong, Michael? What happened, Mike?
5-4.
Michael, what happened?
I got it! Good job, Michael. Woo!
5-4.
Who's winning?
Michael, we are.
Yeah.
Who's winning? Nikki, who's winning?
Nice, Michael. He's an animal, Michael. Take it back. Give me the
Here are all the
ball.
boxes waiting to be moved. This is the living room that we changed because of that. This is the breakfast room, the kitchen. That's the French doors that lead out to the pool. This is the family room with more boxes. Frank's desk. Window. Goes like this. That was this was a great house. I did laundry. There we go. Trying to get ready. That's the front door. The bedrooms are right there. Boys' room, messy, messy room. Natalie's room, no curtains, everything's packed. Our room. Bathroom. Now we're going to go see outside so we can remember what this house looked like. A lot of good memories in this house. It's the front door. It's Oma and Andrea's house. This was our neighborhood. Great neighborhood. Basketball hoop outside. This was the front of the house. The neighborhood right there. Oma and Andrea's house. It's George's police car. The outside of the house. It's the front of the house. There's the garage. This is the side of the house. I'm going to the backyard now. It's all the beautiful landscaping. There's the swing set. The backyard.
That's not going to work, man. You should have shot him up there. Only
The
she
back
can
of
go
the
up
house.
there.
No, no.
Only she can go up there.
Okay.
Give me the ball. Give me the ball, Michael.
I got the ball.
Give it to me. I told you.
There they arguing in the pool.
She's the only one that can go up there. Come on.
There they are arguing in the
She's only
pool.
8. She's the only one that can go up there.
Natalie, what happened?
Oh, jeez.
Come on, drive it.
Michael had a foul.
Daddy was talking to me.
Sorry.
No problem.
Oh, blame it on Mom.
Jump ball, jump ball.
Jump ball, jump ball, jump ball, jump ball.
I'll shoot for it. No,
I
that's
have
a
it.
jump.
I'll shoot for
All
my
the packing stuff there.
No, Mickey! Mickey! Bobby shoots! I shoot. Oh,
He
you're so
wants to shoot.
stupid, you're a rope. I shoot. You
ball.
shoot.
Michael, that wasn't nice.
Where did it go, Mickey? Leave that alone.
Yeah, we're winning 9-6. Don't go in the water.
Too late.
Who's winning, Michael?
We are. They are. 9-6. It's only turn. Ah! Up, up, up! Go, Ben! You touched the ball on the way down.
No, I didn't.
Ah, go! Up, up! Oh.
Natalie,
Yes.
what happened?
Nothing.
You didn't stay behind?
No.
Uh-oh.
Michael!
Leave him alone, don't fall.
Look right here! Oh, man. Nicky!
9-6 still, come on,
Last
Natalie.
age, Mama.
What?
Last.
You gotta shoot better, Natalie.
Oh!
We're gonna have to sub you.
Wow. Hey, Natalie.
Michael,
Natalie, are you a gymnast?
No.
Natalie, you gotta watch the game. I was gonna pass it to you.
Oh, I took it. Oh. Oh.